The grass is quiet and peaceful as two elephants wander around, enjoying their time together. Suddenly, a massive snake strikes and begins to wrap itself tightly around one of the elephants. The scene quickly becomes frightening as the mother struggles while a baby elephant runs in fear, unsure of what to do. The huge snake squeezes harder, showing no sign of letting go. Just then, a dog appears, racing across the grass with sharp focus. The dog spots the elephants and understands the danger immediately. Without hesitation, it charges at the snake, barking and snapping fiercely. The snake loosens for a moment, but it is still too strong for the elephant to escape. The dog continues to attack, biting and clawing at the massive reptile. Soon after, the dog's owner rushes into the scene to help. Together, the man and his loyal companion fight with all their might to free the elephant. The elephant struggles, but with the combined effort of the man and the brave dog, the snake finally begins to lose control. The tension eases as the elephant regains strength, standing tall again, saved from the terrifying grip of the python. What started as a nightmare in the grass ends as a powerful moment of courage, teamwork, and survival.